Hello students, I am Vincent Fernandez, your math teacher from Sri Sarvajna Public School. Today we are going to understand about representative values. So what is this representative values? These are nothing but called as a central tendencies in statistics or data handling. So in data handling, these representative values are named differently, and each representative value has its own function to do. So there are a few representative values which have been written on the board. So first one among them is the average. You usually consider things on an average, or we also call it as a mean or arithmetic mean also. So this average and mean we will be dealt with in today's class. Apart from that, the other three types of representative values, which is representing data in a different form to find what is the central value, which is used to find out the central value, are mentioned. So that is a range, that is the second part, and the next one is called as the mode. The fourth one is called as median. Apart from this, there are other central tendencies also, but today and in this class we will be learning about average or mean. So what is the meaning of average? Now consider that there is a person A who is learning math, or that is practicing math 5 hours a day, next day 4 hours, on that second day, third day it is 6 hours. So on an average, how many hours did this person study? So for 3 days he has continuously studied or practiced math. So on an average, how many hours did he learn each day? Does not mean that he has learned so many hours per day. It is not the actual value, but it is the averaged value. So on the first day 5 hours, right? On the second day it is 4 hours. On the third day it was 6 hours. So totally it is a total of 15 hours in 3 days. So when we take it on an average, we add these three values, 5 plus 4 plus 6. Totally it will be 15. How many days? 3, right? Divide this 15 by 3, we get 5 hours per day. So this is called as the average value. Now let us take another example. A person is riding a bike or a vehicle, some vehicle. Now his speed will not be the same throughout. He starts with 0 kilometers per hour, right? He will be at rest. So he will start at 0 degrees, that is 0 kilometers per hour. Then he increases his speed, accelerates his speed, and finally he will reach some high speed of say 60 kilometers per hour. But he will not be moving with the same 60 kilometers per hour every time. So consider that his total number distance which is traveled, and how much time did he take. Dividing the entire number of kilometers by the time taken by him to reach that distance will give us an average speed at which he was traveling. So then we say, just for an example, he was traveling at a speed of 30 kilometers per hour, because he reached 30 kilometers in 1 hour. Does not mean that he was starting with 30 kilometers and ended with 30 kilometers. Okay, so this is called as an average. Let us take another example where a person is practicing swimming for hours together. So first day practice 2 hours. The second day he was practicing 5 hours, and on the third day he was practicing say 4 hours, say 5 hours again. So adding these three, what do we get? So 2 plus 5 plus 5, divide upon by 3, correct? So this is going to give me 12 by 3, which is 4. So that means that 4 hours per day was the average. So now I hope you have understood this with this example. Next class we will deal with some more examples. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.